I'm so excited that you have decided to take this course. Let's go over the contents of this course in a little bit more detail. We're going to start with the introduction and the prerequisites of this course. I'm also going to show you that how exercise files are organized. Then we're going to jump into understanding what exactly are dynamic apps and what kind of Firebase features are available for you to use. Next, we're simply just going to jump into the high waters application. The best way to learn, I believe, is to just do it. And we are going to be building practical applications in this course. You can see that all of the lectures are accompanied with their corresponding exercise files. We are going to set up our project for the high waters application, which will consist of the maps, UI, kit, and a lot more. Later on, we're going to take our project and integrate it with the Firebase application. You will learn how to set up your Firebase project on the Firebase console and also how to interact high waters application with Firebase. Later on, we are going to jump into a brand new application called the Grocery app. This application is amazing because it will teach you how to do parent-child relationships using Firebase application. The Grocery app is also going to be integrated with the Firebase authentication system. We are going to see that how easy it is to authenticate using Firebase. And you can see that all of the lectures are provided with their corresponding exercise files. But we're not done yet because we will be implementing an amazing app called the WhatsApp chat app. Yes, you will be implementing a chat application in this course, a chat application that is capable of not only sending text messages, but also sending picture photo messages. You are going to learn how to use real-time database. You are going to learn how to use JSQ message controller to create a really nice UI. And you're going to learn how to do Firebase storage, where you will upload your assets like images and movies and so on. So this course is packed up with a lot of different things. And it's a very practical course because the only great way to learn is to actually do it. And to do it, we're going to do multiple projects to learn Firebase.